Hi, this is Joey with Magmatic, and we are here at InfoComm 2025. I'd like to show you one of our new units that will be coming to the market very, very soon. It is the Magma Prime Tour. It is one of our beefier Fazer units. The nice thing about the Fazers is all the customizations you can do with the unit. So if we go over here to manual, you can change both the fog output as well as the fan output. I'll turn them on real quick. He'll be coming out here. So this is the deflector, so we can have them go different angles. So we can have them shoot up. Nice thing with this unit is it has the omega bracket, so you can put O clamps on it, C clamps, hang them up on the rig, and have them shoot down. Another nice feature that this unit has is it has all of the cords, the True One and the DMX cables are all on the back side of the unit, as you see right here. Right here. So everything's back here, so you don't see any of the jumbled up cords on the front of the unit. Another cool feature we have is our OVP, which is our over voltage protection. So if you take this unit, which is 120 volts, and plug it into 220 volts, it will not fry out the unit. You're good to go. Once again, I'd like to say thanks for stopping by. You can check us out at magmaticfx.com. Take it easy.